Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh, and I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today, in this episode, I'm gonna talk about how to get your first sale in affiliate marketing. So if you are beginner and don't know how to make your first sale in affiliate marketing, then watch this episode till the end, where I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make your first sale in affiliate marketing. But before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com, with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? So now, without any delay, let me show you how to get first sale in affiliate marketing. First, let me take you to the paint, and here I will sketch. And by sketching, by drawing the picture, I will make you understand that how you can get your first sale in affiliate marketing. What are the things that you need to do to get your first sale in affiliate marketing, right? Now, here, one thing that you have to understand, that nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, unless they like you, unless they have trust on you, and unless they feel relatable to you. So these are the four things very, very important that you need to understand. Here, what I mean by that. Now, here you tell me, if someone comes to you and he or she sells something to you and that person is unknown to you, will you buy from that very person? I hope your answer is no. So in the same manner, it is very, very important in our affiliate marketing business that first you have to let everybody know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. This is very, very important. And when trust is built, when people will start feeling relatable to you and your story, then everything will be easy. They will come to you and they will ask for your affiliate link. You don't have to chase for the sale. You don't have to ask for the sale. They will come and they will ask your affiliate link. Why? Because they know you, they like you, they trust you, and they feel relatable to you. And now you might be thinking that how you let everybody know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you? Simple. You start providing value in the market. You start providing valuable content in the market through which you are solving the problem of your ideal prospect, your ideal customer. Right? So now here, what you can do, like especially when you are just new to affiliate marketing, here I would suggest you, first you create a lead magnet. Lead magnet is something where you solve one of the biggest problem of your ideal prospect. And you give that lead magnet for free. And your lead magnet can be something like your free report, free ebook, free cheat sheet, free mind map, free webinar training, free masterclass. So it can be anything. So create your lead magnet and give it for free in exchange of name and email address to your prospect. This is very, very important. So When you give something for free, now you tell me what will be the impression towards you. Through your lead magnet, you are solving one of the biggest problem of your ideal prospect. Now you tell me what will be the impression towards you if you give that lead magnet for free. Simply, they will start knowing you, they will start liking you, they will start having trust on you. And yes, in your lead magnet, you just little bit talk about your story, your struggles. And that way they will feel relatable to you. Right? So this is one of the way to let everybody know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. So go and start creating lead magnet. Create your lead magnet. And yes, one more thing that I just want to say. When you create your lead magnet, it must be easy to consume. It must be short. It must be easy to watch, easy to read. Don't go for long lead magnet. Just keep it short and crisp, through which you are solving one of the biggest problem of your ideal prospect. And here, one more thing that you need to understand. You must give impression to your prospect that they must be feeling or they must be thinking in a way that if they go in the market, they have to pay money for the lead mag that they are going to get for free. They must be saying something like, oh, this person is giving me this lead magnet, this free ebook for free. If I go in the market and for the same thing to solve this problem, I have to pay for that. But this guy is giving me for free. This guy is solving my problem for free. Wow. So they must be seeing like this. And I must tell you that if you do that, then definitely you will be able to let everybody know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. And when you reach to that point, yes, everything will be easy. They will buy from you. They will say, hey, what else you have? I want to buy from you because you have solved my problem. You have given solution to my problem. I want to solve my other problems through you. Please let me know what else you are offering. Make sense? So this is what you have to do. First, understand, you have to let everybody know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. Nobody is going to buy from someone who is unknown. Will you buy from someone who is unknown to you? No. So that's why let everybody know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. So for that, first create your lead magnet. Right? And then once you create your lead magnet, then create a landing page. Landing page. And on your landing page, you can see that something like discover how to make $1,000 per month in 7 simple steps. So this is your headline. And then this is your, you can say, name, email address, colon, and here there will be call to action button. I'm very bad at drawing, right? So please excuse me, right? So this is your landing page. So you give this lead magnet here on this page, on landing page. You say that free book reveals how to make $1,000 per month in 7 simple steps. Now you tell me, if somebody who is looking for how to make $1,000 per month, now you tell me, will he submit his name and email address here or not? definitely he will, because he's looking for how to make $1,000 per month. And you are giving this solution through your lead magnet, this one. So that way, when somebody who submits his name and email address, then he or she will go to your next page that we call bridge page or thank you page. On this page, you have your own video where you tell your story, where you talk about the affiliate product that you are promoting. And here you have your bonuses too. So in your video, you talk about your affiliate offer. Yes, you tell about your struggles too. Hey, you say something like this. Hi, thank you so much for subscribing for this free ebook. Within 5 minutes or less, you will be getting link to download this book. But before you go, I have something for you. So here you talk about your offer that we are promoting. And here you talk about this, like, hey, if you want to learn how to make $10,000, then this offer, you can call the name of the offer that you are promoting, right? So you can tell the name of the product. And here you talk about your story. Hey, but I want to say something. I was struggling a lot in my affiliate marketing business. I was wandering here and there. I bought so many products, but nothing has worked for me. But finally, I found this product. And when I went through this training, then I got to learn so many things. And when I implemented the things that I learned through this training, I started getting returns. So here you talk about your story. And then you offer, yes, by the way, if you want to learn how to make 10K per month, then download, there is a link, go and click on that link and join this training. And yes, if you join this training or if you buy this product through my link, then I will give you my bonuses. So download, you can check out all the bonuses. So bonuses number 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So here, if they think that, yes, this is a great offer and you are providing great bonuses, then definitely they will go and they will buy. And let's suppose they don't buy. So in that case, you have their email. So you can follow up them through email, and in your first email, you give them this lead magnet, and they will go through this lead magnet and they will see that, wow, this is great lead magnet. This is a great ebook through which they are able to know that how to make $1,000 per month. Then they will say, wow, this is really, really great book. So in that case, no doubt, if you offer in your next email, hey, by the way, if you want to learn more on how to make 10K per month, then here is my offer. So in that offer, or let's assume this is your sales page. So in your email, you have a link and you have some text, and then this is your affiliate link. So if they click, they will go to the sales page. And if they decide that this is a great offer to buy, they will go and buy. So here you have two options. First option is that when someone submits their name and email address, then they will go to your bridge page or thank you page where you are offering your affiliate product. So if they think that, yeah, it's a great offer and they are going to get great bonuses, yeah, they will go and they will buy. Second option, let's suppose they don't buy on your thank you page. Then they will go and check the email, and in the email, first email, they will click on your lead magnet that you have offered them for free. And when they go and read your ebook and they think that it's a great ebook through which they are able to know that how to make $1,000 per month, then definitely at this moment you have built that trust. So what you can do here, you can send another email, and in another email you can just offer your affiliate offer that you are promoting. So this is let's assume this is your sales page of the offer that you are promoting. So this is your second email, right? So here on this second email, you have some text and this is your affiliate link. So they click on this link, they will go to your sales page here. So if they think that, yes, it's a great product to have, where they will get to know that how to make 10K per month, then definitely they will go and they buy. Now, at this time, you are not, you can say, unknown to them. You are known to them. Why? Because of this lead magnet, right? So that's why it's very, very important before promoting any product, any affiliate offer. First thing that how you can build that trust, how you can let everybody know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. Think that first. And when you build that trust, when you let everybody know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you, then definitely very soon you will make your first sale in affiliate marketing, right? So that's how you make your first sale in affiliate marketing. This is the process, all right? And here, let me show you my ebook. In the beginning of my video, you might have noticed that I'm offering my ebook, and you can see that on Amazon, you have to pay for 4,000. But I'm giving this book for free. I'm not charging anything. But if someone go through this book and they think that it's a great book through which they are able to know how to make 1K per month, then definitely if I offer something else in the future, they will go and buy. And in that book, I have revealed step by step that what they have to do. And I have also shared my story too, so that they will feel relatable with my story. So same thing that you have to give something for free and build that trust. Make sense? So that's it for today. And by the way, if you want to get my book, then all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.